In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn volume up on Bose earbuds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to use the function that allows you to increase the volume by swiping up on your Bose earbuds. So this is a feature that allows you to easily change the volume without having to increase or decrease it on your phone, your laptop, your computer, and you will be able to do it directly on the Bose earbuds. However, to access the volume control features and use touch controls, you need to download the Bose app. So you can download it on the App Store for iOS or the Play Store for Android devices. Once you download the Bose application, they will give you easy to follow instructions on how to connect the Bose earbuds. So just follow along, and once it has been properly connected, you will be good to go. You will see the battery level, other options, and what you have to do here is touch on the settings icon for your set of earbuds. So once you touch on the settings icon, you will be able to find volume under control. So look for volume control and enable it. So this feature has to be enabled for it to work. Once you toggle this feature on, it's going to be as simple as swiping up on the earbuds to increase the volume, or swiping down on the earbuds to decrease the volume. This is going to primarily work with the right earbud, so keep that in mind. If you try it on the left and it doesn't work, then it has to be done on the right earbud. So to keep it simple, swipe up to increase the volume or swipe down to decrease the volume. And this should work for any model of Bose earbuds that you have. As long as you first download the application and enable volume control, you will be able to use this feature and increase or decrease the volume without having to change it on your phone, laptop, computer, or so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn volume up on Bose earbuds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.